Hello, grade 11s. I hope you are well. We start with a video series on the material that we're going to do this year. I want you in the beginning of your exercise books to write the date for me, 22 January, Exponents, grade 10 revision. And then we are going to go through the material. Okay, these are the exercises I'm going to cover. They are not the same as your textbook because some of these examples are different from your textbook examples. So they are extra material that you really need to know how it works. The first one, simplify 16 to the power of minus a quarter plus minus 10 to the power of 0. I want you to write down this example exactly as we have it here. You can pause the video and write down as we go on. Firstly, when you are simplifying exponents, so your first thought must be prime numbers. Prime numbers. That is your first, must be your first thought. So what we do is we take 16, there they just written it down. Now, the 16 is now 2 to the power of 4, to the power of minus a quarter, and this is, we know that that is 1. So you can forget about apply this law or apply that law. We are talking about prime factors. This is the first thing. Okay, the second one is now we are going to multiply in the exponents here. We know that when it's an exponent to the power of something, we multiply. So now we are going to get 2 to the power of minus 1 plus 1. And here, if we write it with a positive exponent, it's going to be a half plus 1. And that is 3 over 2. So that is your first example. I want you to work through these examples on your own a few times so that you are really sure of what you're doing. Example 2. Simplify 10 to the power of 2x, 3 to the power of 2x, 25 to the power of x, 6 to the power of 2x minus 1. Again, magic word prime. Prime numbers first. That's what you always do first. So here I've got 10. The prime numbers of 10 is 5 times 2. The 3 is already a prime number. 25 is 5 squared. And 6 prime factors are 3 times 2. And now we can multiply, write the factors with its own exponents. So here we know that if I have a, b to the power of m, it's going to be a to the power of m, b to the power of m. So it's going to be 5 to the power of 2x, 2 to the power of 2x, 5 to the power of 2x, 2 to the power of 2x, 3 to the power of 2x. And here in the denominator, 5 to the power of 2x. So here, if we've got a to the power of 2 to the power of 3, we know it's going to be a to the power of 2 times 3. So here it's going to be 5 to the power of 2x, 3 to the power of 2x minus 1, 2 to the power of 2x minus 1. But now, here, what is very important here is if your fraction, there's one term in the numerator, one term in the denominator. So let's write it down. One term in the numerator and one term in the denominator. Then you may add or subtract the exponents. So for example, here you're going to say 5 to the power of 2x minus 2x, like that. For the 2, I've got 2 to the power of 2x minus bracket 2x minus 1. That was the 2, and then the 3 is, the exponent is 2x minus bracket 2x minus 1. And then you simplify by adding the exponents like that, and that is going to be your answer there, equals to 6. The next example is, firstly we are going to say prime factors, and then we are going to say how many terms are there in the numerator. If there's one term and one term in the denominator, is that true? So firstly, prime factors, 3 squared to the power of 2x plus 1, 2 to the power of 2x plus 2. Here, the denominator, 3 to the power of 3x minus 2, that stays because the 3 is already a prime number. 12, the prime factors of 12 is 3 times 2 squared to the power of x plus 1. Okay, and now we are going to multiply in our exponents. So I'm going to say 3 to the power of 2. So now I'm going to multiply in that bracket there. So it's going to be 4x plus 2, 2 to the power of 2x plus 2. Here, 3 to the power of 3x minus 2, which is correct. And now we are going to multiply in the x plus 1. The exponent of the 3 is 1. So it's 3 to the power of 1 times x plus 1. 3 to the power of x plus 1. 2 to the power of 2 times x plus 1. 2x plus 2. And because we've got one term in the numerator and one term in the denominator, I can add and subtract all the exponents, and that's what we get, and we get 27. Okay, I'm going to stop with the examples and give you homework to do on this, and then we'll continue again tomorrow. So let me just talk to you about the homework quickly. The homework you are going to receive on a Google Classroom, and you can submit it by taking a photograph and submitting it on Google Classroom exactly the same way as you did last year. We will send out a video as well to show how you are going to submit it. Okay, goodbye for now and enjoy the mathematics.